This is an emergency broadcast. Please refrain yourself from turning off your device and pay attention. As the 11th of March 2078, a recent nation known as the State of Slovenian has undergone a significant change, having demanded Memel from the Baltic Order and demanded Danzig along with other Polish territories. Due to the recent actions, the State of Slovenian has reformed themselves into the Duchy of Slovenian, now under rule of Our reaction to the recent aggression of this nation is to be certain that we won't fall under its banner. Today our Prime Minister has declared that we shall reconquer all our lost territories to be certain that our nationality and culture shall prevail against our neighbours. God save the King.